Virus. A bad program that can hurt your computer or steal your stuff. Warning. A virus is here. Password. A secret word you use to keep your account or device safe. Max needs a strong password to open it. Download. To get something from the internet onto your computer or tablet. Ask a parent before you download. Report. To tell a grown-up if something bad or scary happens online. Max clicks the report. The bad screen goes away. Personal information. Details about you like your name, birthday, or where you live. Only tell these things to people you know and trust.